If you're looking for a versatile storage solution for your home, then this 5-tier corner shelf may be for you. So in this video, I want to go through some of the features of this corner shelf, as well as tell you a few things I wish I knew before I assembled it. But before I do, I would like to thank the company Garvee for gifting me this in exchange for my honest review. So I'm super excited to have this shelving system in my home because who doesn't need more storage space? But with this corner shelf, first thing I want to point out is that you do not have to have it set up as a corner shelf. So you can actually set this up long ways to if you wanted to put it flat against the wall. But this is what it looks like once it's set up into the corner orientation. They do have 5 shelves on this shelving system. Each shelf can support up to 200 pounds. So that also makes this shelving system very versatile in terms of putting it in your kitchen, your office, or even your bedroom closet. And with the look, I really do appreciate and love the rustic modern look it has. So it's made out of a black metal frame, and then it has this wood boards that are actually made out of a composite wood or particle board, and then it has the laminate coating on top, which the laminate coating is really nice. I have a few other pieces of furniture in my home that have that same material, and what's nice is that it's water resistant. And then looking at the bottom, you do have adjustable feet that you can use to make this thing level if it's unlevel on the floor where you're putting it. What's also really nice about the adjustable feet is that you can slide this around on your floors a lot easier than without them, and it will also help to protect your floors from scratches. So when opening up the box, you have everything you need to put the corner shelf together, including all the tools, hardware, as well as parts and pieces. All I needed was 2 Allen wrenches to put the whole thing together. When opening the box, I did notice there was a lot of styrofoam all over the place. So what I did was just make sure I had a vacuum cleaner handy. So I would recommend that for you as well, just in case. But the assembly process did take me a little while. It took me about 2.5, 3 hours to put the whole thing together. And that's going to be my first recommendation when assembling this is make sure you have somebody else with you. I do feel like if I had a second pair of hands with me, I could have probably done this in half the time it took me to do it by myself. And as far as instructions, this is all you get. You get a few small pictures. And this is where it wasn't so much identifying the parts and pieces and how to put it together. It was the orientation that was the problem for me. So during the assembly process, there was a few times where I did something backwards and would have to disassemble it and reassemble it. So a few things to point out though is when you're putting it together is that keep in mind that if you are doing the corner orientation, that you want to make sure the shorter shelf system is on the right side of the corner shelf. And then the other thing I want to point out is that when you're putting the frame together itself, you do have these little mounting holes here. That's where the support rods go that are there across the back. You want to make sure that that's on the back side of the corner shelf, so that way they're just not in the front. And now that it's all said and done and put together, I am very excited to have this corner shelf to increase the storage in my home. So if you are in the same boat like me and are looking for a good storage shelf, then I definitely recommend this by Garvee. And I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.